Hi everyone. If you ever try to report on a multi-select property like this, for example, we have set up opportunity type on the opportunity level with options of HubSpot consulting, SEO, social media, website. You've probably found out that the only way that Salesforce natively reports on it is by grouping them as combinations. So if one opportunity has all four, so we'll report on how many opportunities have all four, how many opportunities have just HubSpot consulting, how many opportunities have this combination, which is not really very useful for reporting and making any kind of decision. So we wanted to look into a workaround and how to set up a beautiful pie chart like this with just single options and the weight of those options from all opportunities. So first of all, you go ahead and set up the opportunity type or whatever property you need with the options that you need and add it to the opportunity layout or the object layout that you want to. The other thing that I did is the percentage allocation. So I wanted to know what percentage of the services of total is the service. So for example, if I just choose HubSpot consulting, it is 100% of $10,000, so the whole amount will be attributed to HubSpot consulting. If I choose social media and HubSpot consulting and want to spread them like 40-60, I can put the percentages here, and that's kind of like a different little area that we can look at later. But yes, that's the setup I did, the multi-select and the percentages of the amount, of the total amount of the opportunity that I wanted to split. That would be the first step. The second step would be setting up the custom object with the same name. Let me show you opportunity type. What we did here. So we set up the opportunity type. I enabled everything that you pretty much defaultly can enable. It's deployed. It's a standard help window, and it's pretty much self-explanatory when you just click create a custom object. For fields, first step would be which one is that? Not the owner. So connecting it to your opportunity. So when you create a custom object, it just kind of like floats around in the system. It's not connected to anything. So the first step would be to connect it to the object that you already have and you want it to connect. You want it connected to. We want the opportunity type be connected with opportunity. So we set up a property. It's a lookup reference property for the opportunity. Then we went ahead and set up the opportunity type amount and opportunity type percentage. So the percentage is copied from these percentages with a little simple flow, and the amount, opportunity type amount, is calculated based on opportunity amount. So this is another property I set up. It's a formula, just copies the total amount of the opportunity to be able to calculate the opportunity type amount based on the opportunity type percentage that we put in right here. So, and also obviously we will have the opportunity type kind of like single select based on these options. So it's either going to be SEO or social media or website or HubSpot calling. So here we have HubSpot consulting, not calling. My apologies. That's what the custom object opportunity type looks like. So the name is HubSpot Consulting. I just set it up to create, based on what you choose here, to create a custom object. In this case, it's HubSpot Consulting because we only have one option chosen here. It's 100%. So opportunity type percentage is copied over. It's 100%. Opportunity amount is copied over. It's $10,000. And then opportunity type amount is calculated. So it's 100% of $10,000. It's 10,000. And then the opportunity type is also set up automatically through the flow as HubSpot Consulting, because that's what we chose on this opportunity. So this is kind of like the setup that you will need to create in order to be able to report on the type based on either a percentage or amount. And let me show you a couple other. So for example, I have this test number 4. It has it allocates 25% to each of these options. We have 4 options chosen, so 4 options were created in opportunity types, for one for each opportunity type value that was chosen in this multi-select. And so we actually not reporting on this property, but we are reporting on the custom object that is attached to the opportunity, which doesn't have multi-selects. So that's the workaround, because the opportunity type here is a single select, but we create four options. Hopefully that makes sense. And when we create a report, you can see I have different opportunities and opportunity type names, and based on the amount you can see that it allocated different pie charts. It's very visually pleasing to see, to be able to see, okay, social media, we sold that much, for example, this year. Oh, I can see a typo here. Yeah, things happen. But yeah, you can see that HubSpot Consulting and social media takes up the most of our services. That's not the real case situation, but from here you can make some decision. You can visually see what's happening with your system, and actually can report on real situations. If you have any questions, please feel free to send it over. Thank you.